How to enable or disable mobile data warning on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see first option is connections. So click on connections. Now here scroll down and click on data usage. So after click on data usage, scroll down and click on, you will see bullying cycle and data warning. So after click on bullying cycle and data warning, so you will see data warning is here. So if you want to disable set data warning, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see data warning is disabled. So if you want to enable data warning, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see data warning is enabled. So you will enable or disable data warning from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable mobile data warning on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.